How to differentiate between a frontal hit and a back hit. Okay, so it's like this. You put a center here, right? A box center here, right? Let's see if I can do that. Just show, okay, like a box here, right? Like that. This is box here, and then you put another box, an indicator somewhere here. All right, so like that, maybe like that. This indicator, right? So if this position of this box, okay, is going this way, means it's this one is under what? GY negative. Okay, if it's less than this position, right, then it's frontal hit. If it's forward, if this one is going forward, it's more than this one, it's a back position. It's a back hit. Yeah. What you do? You separate the mesh into two sections so that you can differentiate between a frontal hit and back hit. Wow. What you been eating? Snails?